everyone. My name is MORSE, and I'll be presenting at the International Kinesiology Conference in October 2023. I'll be teaching about how to use Brain Gym and Touch for Health to help test anxiety. It will help you help clients in a whole new way. Test anxiety strikes a lot of very intelligent people, and it robs them of their ability to meet their full potential. After listening to my talk, you'll have a much better idea of what test anxiety really consists of and effective ways of helping people grow past it. More than ever in this time, people need to be able to access lifelong learning as people continue to reimagine themselves in their careers. It's critically important. Please join me.